Welcome back, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two popular robot vacuums, the iRobot Roomba 694 and the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly reliability or high-tech features, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Let's start with the price. The Roomba 694 is priced at a modest $274, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to keep their floors clean without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop is priced at $399. While it's on the higher end, it comes packed with features that might justify the extra cost. The Roomba 694 features a sleek, premium design and uses adaptive navigation to maneuver around your home. However, some reviewers noted that it can get stuck under furniture. The Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop, with its 360 degrees LiDAR navigation, offers a more advanced mapping system. Reviewers love its ability to store multiple maps and set no-go zones, but making it a more robust option for complex home layouts. The Roomba 694 has an auto-adjust cleaning head, which adapts its height for different floor types. Users appreciate its ability to handle both carpets and hard floors, although it may miss some spots. In contrast, the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop boasts a powerful 3,000 pascal suction and multiple cleaning modes, including sweeping and mopping. Reviewers are particularly impressed with its strong suction and versatility. When it comes to battery life, the Roomba 694 offers up to 90 minutes of cleaning time. While it's adequate for smaller homes, some users wish it lasted longer. The Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop outperforms in this category with a 150-minute runtime. It also features auto recharge and resume capabilities, which reviewers find incredibly convenient for larger cleaning tasks. The Roomba 694 can be controlled via the iRobot Home app or voice assistants like Alexa. Users appreciate the ease of scheduling and remote control. On the other hand, the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop takes smart features to the next level with the Tuya Smart app. It allows for customized cleaning modes, virtual walls, and no-go zones. Reviewers love its comprehensive app controls and integration with smart home systems. Overall, the Roomba 694 is praised for its affordability and reliable performance. Although it has some issues with navigation and noise, it's a great entry-level option for pet owners and those on a budget. The Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop, while more expensive, is lauded for its powerful suction, advanced navigation, and extensive smart features. It's ideal for those looking for a high-tech, hassle-free cleaning solution. So there you have it. The Roomba 694 is a budget-friendly, reliable option, while the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop is a high-tech powerhouse. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech comparisons. Product links are in the description. Happy cleaning!